Sige. Sige. Oh. It's okay. Go good. Yeah. Yeah. So good. Yeah. Woo. Okay, sarap. Hello, good morning guys. It's a family day. Andito na naman kami sa aming galahan. Mag-i-slide kami. Kami papunta na dyan sa loob kasi naiwan kami nila Kuya Cyrus. O, dito tayo, dito. Yan, go straight, go straight. Yeah, go straight. Over there.
Yeah.
I think it's here. Wait, tawagan natin si Kuya Cyrus.
Okay.
Baka dyan sa loob, hindi natin alam.
Hey, wait for me. Ah.
Aba, ako lumukso ko na agad. Saan sila? Oh, yun na. Aba. Ayan na, peperma na.
Tita, look, baby. Hi! Hi!
So guys, ito yung aming pinagkabalahan ngayon. Mag-slide, ayan. Katuwaan ng mga bata, kasama na ang mga matatanda. So diyan kami dadaan, aakyat kami dyan. Ang dami yung tropa. Parang marumi. Marumi. Oh. Saan ba yung aking chikiting? We're gonna find the other one. A good one. I think this one.
And another one.
Another one.
Yeah.
Ayan.
Green
I
pack lahat.
love the slide. Come on.
Naplina? Yara, here. Kung di lakad na lang tayo, mabilis pa. Oh, go, walk. Kami ay aakyat sa taas. Kaya sila. Oh, right here. Oh, dito tayo. Oh, hila. Oh. Dito, here. Okay.
The high one.
Let me hold this. Oh, you're gonna sit down there. Oh, sit down first. Ano, sit down. Ano muna?
Hawak-hawak niya kanya.
Hawak nyo lang ang kayaro tabi.
Sino po muna? Ako?
Kayong dalawa?
Sino po na? Si Yara?
Hindi, ikaw na patras ba?
Ano?
Baga niya.
Na-play na?
Ano, tatali mo ba kay bebe?
Dito mo kaya hawakan para hindi kayo magkakalayo.
Ito, ganun ka lang.
Tali mo ka din eh, ang iyo.
Ito, ganun ka lang.
Hindi, para hindi baka makapitaw.
Sa ganito oh. Para
Ang dulas sa ako. Kitang kita.
Ayan. Oy, kami muna.
Ano mo family car?
Wait.
Hindi mo pa i-shoot dyan para makuha mo.
Video mo na.
Huwag ka
Ah,
makapit si bebe.
para makahawak ako dito. Ah, nagpe-play ba? Ano, okay na ba ang posisyon dito? Oh, sige, tulak.
Ready na?
Okay. Yeah! Ah! Yeah! Oh, it's okay. Yeah! Yeah! It's okay. Yeah! Okay, good, right? No. Okay, stop. Come on, Mom, Tito's coming. Yeah. Kuya Sheros, yeah. Yeah. Parang kabilis lang. Ba? Ha? Bilis nga. Ayan si Ate Kara. Ate Shilo. Dito, Ate Shilo. Look at that. Oh. Wala Ate Kara. Ate Kara, where is it? There? Okay.
Malambot.
Hindi, okay lang kay Yara. Ate Kara there. Ate Kara. Oh. Tuwang-tuwa naman ang bata eh. Katuwa. Happy? It's scary, what? I think so, no? Mabilis ng dalawa.
Padapain mo. Ayan, alot.
Ayan, kasama na sila, oh. Ayan, oh. Ah. Oh, ayan. Oh. Nagkasama, oh.
Wala nang bonnet.
Bro, wala kang bunit nun. Baka nainitan.
Ayun nga, pag naglalakad.
Mommy miss it, right? Mommy miss this moment, right?
Yeah.
Oh, mommy. Poor mommy and ate. Ate teacher. Ate kids. Nasama.
It's okay, baby. They're scared.
Yeah?
Or because they're working.
Yeah.
So anyway guys, kami ay maglalakad akit ulit sa taas dahil Ako na. Oh, go. Dahil nasira yung hanger cable. Nadulas na si Ate Kera. Oh. Look, Kuya GT there. Kuya GT, Kuya Gian. There.
We're gonna go there.
There, Kuya.
We're gonna go
Kuya GT. There already. Yeah, Kuya Gian there. Kuya Gian. There. Oh. There. Over there. Kuya GT there already. Yeah.
They eat each other.
Yeah.
Daddy, come on, try.
We're gonna go up there, okay?
No.
Why would you try over there?
No.
Why?
Too scary.
That's the same thing. We're gonna go here. Yeah. You wanna try there, Yara?
No.
Why?
I don't want
I see.
Best.
Best ever.
Yeah.
The other one is more higher than this.
Sino? Asan na? Asan ang bonnet mo? Where's your hat? Ha? You don't wanna use it? Oh, naglag? Okay.
Papa. There, you're gonna push yourself.
Oh, look at the camera. Still working? Look at the camera. Still working?
It's black.
Black na? Working?
I don't know.
Dalawa ba? Hindi yata pwede dun sa isa.
Dalawa.
Dalawa ba?
Hmm.
Pero kakabo. Saan ang dala ito?
Yara, sit down here. Sit down already. Sit down.
Ninong hindi dalawa. Kanya, nagtatagpo.
Hindi.
Ito na lang.
Ah, dito na. Dito.
Dito na kayo.
Oh, Yara.
Lang ito.
Just sit down na.
Hey guys.
Dito kabins yung kanya. Bibidyohan ko ba kayo eh? Pababa.
Me and Dara's gonna go together.
Yeah, go alone. With some GoPro.
Can we go together, Ian? You go together, then you take a video. Because it's nice.
I already have a video.
Parang my POV.
At the cello. At the cello.
Yeah.
I have a video.
Okay.
Show me your video, baby.
This is off.
Where's my video?
Inaantay ko nga kayo. Kabilis nyo naman.
Three. Two.
Okay. Ready.
Ayan.
I don't know what's there.
Later. You wanna sit down? Anywhere. Do you wanna go at the front?
Back. Mine is back. I want to be at the back.
Hmm.
At the car, I want to be at the back.
Wait.
Yeah, hold it.
Because I need to sit down.
Yeah, I said stop.
Okay?
You go to the front.
Ready?
Ready?
Bitawan mo na lang sa pag ano. Ah, don't hold it.
Hahawakan.
Okay, ready? Yee! Hindi na makalis ah. Oh. Ay! Woohoo! Woo! Naikot-ikot ako eh.
So fun.
Yeah.
Maybe you go for yourself.
Daddy, why you have small one? Look at mine.
Go with daddy.
Oh,
together.
go with me. You go first. You go first. Oh, go, 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 go.
Here. Then hold this one.
Hold together.
Hold.
Hold together.
Oh.
Sa part na to, ang aming kamera na nasa ulo ni Gian ay nahulog. Kaya iyon, bumag-success no ang aming kamera. Buti na lang hindi nasira. Naku po, sayang sana.
Good, guys. Told you. Hold on my hat.
Ha? Oh, nahulog ang kamera.
Nahulog?
My bag.
Merenda mo na. Kain mo na bago umuwi.
Let's go to mommy work.
Nagutom na.
Isang kami.
Mga pagod na. Anong oras na ba? Astros na? 3 PM na kami uwi na. Ako ang farm dito oh.
Come.
So guys, hanggang dito na lang yung aming
Teeth. It's a
video for today sa Family Day. See you next time.